Hey everyone! In today's video from 1GBit's YouTube channel, we're going to explore an essential topic in internet security. What is a proxy server and how does it work? A proxy server acts as an intermediary between you and the internet, hiding your real IP address and improving your privacy and security. It's also useful for bypassing geographic restrictions and internet filters. In this tutorial, we will set up a SOCKS5 Proxy Server on an Ubuntu server, step by step. Let's dive in. Before we start configuring the proxy, we need to check a few things on the system to make sure everything is in place. To begin, let's check the version of Ubuntu running on your system. This is important because specific steps may differ by version. You can do this by running the following command. This displays the version information for your Ubuntu system. Now, it's time to make sure your system is fully updated. It's a good practice to keep your system up to date before installing any new software. To do so, use the following commands. This will ensure that all your packages and system components are up to date. Next, during the installation of specific packages, you'll be prompted to select a few configuration options. Let's walk through them. When prompted with the Configuring OpenSSH Server window, simply choose the option to keep the local version currently installed. This will avoid unnecessary changes to your SSH configuration. Next, in the Configuring Grub window, hit OK to confirm the default settings. Finally, when prompted for confirmation, type Yes to proceed. After finishing these steps, it's a good idea to clear the terminal again for a cleaner workspace. With this done, we're ready to proceed with the installation of the Dante SOCKS5 Proxy Server. Now, let's install the Dante Server, which we'll use to set up the SOCKS5 proxy. After installing Dante, the next step is configuring it. To edit the configuration file, use the following command. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to back up the original file, just in case. Now, let's paste the following configuration into the file. With the configuration file in place, let's enable and start the Dante service to activate the proxy server. First, enable the service to run automatically at boot. Then, start the service with this command. You can check the status of the service by running. If everything is configured correctly, you should see that the service is active and running, and that your proxy is available on port 1080. Now that the server is set up, we need to configure the proxy in our browser. We'll use the SwitchyOmega Extension for this. To begin, go to your browser's extension settings and search for SwitchyOmega. Install it, and once it's added to the browser, pin it to the toolbar. Open the extension settings and switch to direct mode. Check if your IP address has changed to the one assigned by the proxy. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your IP is correct by running. Open the extensions options and enter your IP address in the server section. Set the protocol to SOCKS5 and apply the changes. Finally, let's test our new proxies functionality. Check if your IP address has changed to the one assigned by the proxy. If everything is working, you should see your new IP. And that's it. You've successfully set up a SOCKS5 proxy server on your Ubuntu system. This will help you maintain privacy and security while browsing, and you can also use it to bypass geographic restrictions. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.